Good morning, it's that favourite time of the day once again. Welcome to SirToshi's Bitcoin Chart Show. This is the Bitcoin forecast, the strength of the system, the health of the network, where we find out what's up with what is going down. Today's date is Saturday, the 23rd of July, 2022. Without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. Buy BSV.live, the best place to buy Bitcoin SV online, the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin. Right, let's look at these figures then. Ooh. We've got Coolcoin BTC SegWit protocol with an economic fundamental value of 0, currently at $22,838. Ooh. We've got Bcrash at 126, Fisher Price Cash, who cares? But then we've got Bitcoin. The original protocol goes right back to the Genesis block. It hasn't changed, making it the real Bitcoin, the true Bitcoin, the genuine Bitcoin, and the world's first and only ever digital commodity, backed by the value of data sovereignty, making it the most valuable commodity on earth because it's an extension of our own personal freedoms and liberties. And a digital protocol can only be commoditized with a fixed supply, lock protocol, infinite scale, economic competition in the form of proof of work, and a chain of digital signatures for common accountability. And those 5 pillars and constructs are only in place on the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin, that is BSV. Beauty. Right, so we've got the most valuable commodity on earth, yours today for just $59. Hash rate 0.49%, we'll check that quickly. Look, Mazars have stopped reporting on the hash rate. Like, what's going on there? I feel a cover-up is taking place here. Look, so we'll have to maybe go on to BitInfo charts to check that out. So anyway, another one bites the dust, would you believe it? Network nodes 0.48, transactions 87.63. I think we might be transaction banking, who knows? And then block size 98.69. So remember, the block size represents the amount of data flowing onto the network. The data is uploaded by the transactions are processed by the nodes are what supply the hash rate and create blocks, and the hash rate is attracted to the value which is meant to be representative of the price. But the price is currently speculative because people don't have a clue about what Bitcoin really is. But when education catches up with speculation, those prices will soon start to match their real economic fundamental values, which means BTC is going to 0, Bcrash going to 0, and Fisher Price Cash also going to 0. Well, it's almost at 0 anyway, but there we go. So remember, just like in business, when turnover is vanity, profit is sanity. When it comes to Bitcoin, hash rate is vanity and block size is sanity. You can see what's going to happen. Let's have a look at the data coming through this morning. Oh, 59 megabyte block, 80 megabytes. Oh, relatively small blocks for Bitcoin this morning. Wonder what's going on there then. But I say relatively small because we're used to sort of like gigabyte blocks, 100 megabyte blocks. You know, in comparison to Coolcoin that's only got a 1 megabyte block. Bcrash that has trouble actually getting over all the blocks over 1 megabyte, and Fisher Price Cash struggling to get all their blocks over a kilobyte. Oh dear. Hash rate follows price, follows value, follows utility, follows creativity, initiative and intelligence. If you are intelligent and you apply creativity and initiative, you can make something useful. When something is useful, it can then create value. When it creates value, it can then develop a price. When it develops a price, it can then be measured against the cost of other goods and services and used as a medium of exchange. Remember, if something is useless, it is worthless. It's as simple as that. Oh, looks like we've had a significant uptick in the hash rate. Maybe that's why they're not reporting it. Who knows? We will see. Proof of work by network. Again, it's all coming over to Bitcoin because it's the only way to commoditize data, meaning BSV is the only genuine commodity protocol. It's currently 9,956 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than Coolcoin. Oh, look at this. It's 4.4% more profitable to mine on SV. What's going on there? We'll check the pie charts in a minute. Daily average Bitcoin block size by network. Look at that. Bitcoin absolutely smashing it. Transactions by network. Bitcoin smashing it. Transactions per block. Bitcoin smashing it. Look at those. Beautiful. Daily Bitcoin fees. USD. Look at that. Fantastic. That is the health of the network. Look. Fees right down. Cost per transaction. Cost per transaction Satoshis. Look at that. Absolutely smashing this lot. Absolutely smashing it. Block fee to block reward ratio. Remember, the red line here is going to be representative of the solid blue line that we're looking at here. As the block reward, which is represented by the dotted line, gets cut in half every 210,000 blocks, approximately every 4 years, the block fee will surpass the block reward, and then we have an economically self-sustaining system. Absolutely beautiful. Let's have a look at daily accumulated Bitcoin blockchain growth by network. Where are we today? I think last time we checked this was 4.74. Where are we now? 4.76. We'll take that. Fantastic. Fantastic. Alright, here we go. Global hash rate, 7 days. Global hash rate, 24 hours. Oh, Antpool and Foundry USA having a belter, battling out. Core coin hash rate, 24 hours. Who cares? Bcrash hash rate, 24 hours. Let's have a look at the mining profitability. It's always below BTC. Look, it's 1.2% more profitable to mine on BTC. That cracks me up. Fisher Price Cash, yeah, who cares? And then we've got Bitcoin. Oh, right, look at this. Other miners have had to increase their hash rate to 40.28%. And the profitability, crikey Moses, it's still 4.48 more profitable to mine on BSV, even though other miners have had to increase their hash rate up to 40%. Wow, let's just check where SBI Crypto is. So they've still got 2.78% on Core Coin. Very good, but the reason we're keeping profitability at bay is because we don't want any shitcoin enterprises on the chain. And the reason we don't want any shitcoin enterprises on the chain is because the only thing they do is dollar worshipping. And dollar worshipping just simply leads on to price manipulation, which we will look at now in the short positions. So this is it. The original protocol and genuine Bitcoin trade is given a short ratio of 89.6%. Honestly, absolutely outrageous. Yeah, 89.65. Still below 90 though. Well, yeah. Maybe a few of them beginning to wake up. And this is Corecoin BTC SegWit protocol, came into existence on the 24th of August 2017. So this protocol here has really only been around for maybe 5 years. So this is a brand new coin. A brand new coin, SegWit protocol, only been around for 5 years, and yet suddenly traders are giving it a short ratio of 1.87%, thinking that it's got longevity. What a joke. Right, here we go. BitInfo charts, look at this. Bitcoin's starting to romp away with it. We've got 2,370,000 transactions over the last 24 hours, now representing 43.8% of the overall transaction volume on the entire market, which means XRP has only got 23.7 and Ethereum only 22.2, starting to make them look like shitcoins, which they are. All right, let's see if we can find a hash rate here. Market capitalization, hash rate. Here we go. BCH, BSV. Oh, it's insignificant. Well, yeah, still. Tell you what, we'll take BTC out. There we go. So we've just got. We'll tell you what, we'll just do BSV so we can see it. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's over 3 months. All right. Okay. Well, at least we know we can get the information from now. Very good. 6 months, 1 year. All right. Okay. Good. Now we know. Excellent. So anybody, for any newbies watching this, these are the mining operations. These are the network nodes. These are what produce the hash rate and create blocks. This is the backbone to the new global financial system, the world's first ever commercial internet. Blows my mind every time. Say it with me. Let's have a look at Chainalytics. Look at that. It's, honestly, corruption at the highest levels. They've taken the original protocol off it and just got these shitcoins listed. So we can't see how efficient and what a mockery the genuine Bitcoin protocol makes of these shitcoins that are listed here. Absolutely outrageous. But at least we can see a little bit of it here. Look, Coin Carbon Cap, Bitcoin. Whoa, look at this. This was 4,900 yesterday. Now it's 7,552. That's gone massive. Absolute transactions per megawatt hour. Something big has happened overnight. I wonder what's caused that. Let's have a quick look. Average amount of transaction processing during the time period in which miners consume 1 megawatt hour of energy. Wow, something has happened overnight. That's hilarious. So Bcrash in second place was 39. Honestly, 39 compared to 7,500. Crazy. And then Core coin 2.2, absolutely disgraceful. Right, scaling test network. So we've had a 4 gigabyte block mined on the mainnet. Very good. BSV data, looking forward to this one. Daily data size over a 30-day moving average. Metro ID producing 5.6. That's good. 7 days. Metro, do we get to see this one? Metro ID 5.1, 5 gigabytes. So 5 gigabytes over a 7-day moving average. Is that right? Is that right? Yeah, 5.1 gigabytes. Metanet protocol producing 5.1, 7-day moving average. Transactions though, run protocol 848,000. That's huge. Let's have a look at applications. Right, let's do this over 7-day moving average. I'm more interested in this now. Whoa, crypto fights 838,000. That's massive. That's massive. So 607, that's gone up, and then there must be a huge amount of transactions on that. And really, Relasia and My 2 Cents, 150,000 plus transactions each. Amazing. Peer games, just 9,353. But let's daily total outputs. So crypto fights creating $101,870 of outputs. Relasia producing 1,683. My 2 Cents just 14 outputs. So that's the money being spent on My 2. Well, so the transactions. Well, that represents the size of the transaction. So we've got 150,000 transactions generating daily outputs of just $14, whereas Relasia is generating 151,000 transactions, and that's got 1,683. So it's more of a wallet that's being used, so larger transactions being spent. And look at this, so Peer Games 9,353, producing $57,000 of daily outputs. That's all right, isn't it? Whew. On a daily, jeepers, that's daily as well. Whew. So yeah, they'll be doing very nicely. Peer Games, very nice indeed. Dogs 8,163. I have to confess, I don't know anything about that. Haste Arcade 2,466 transactions. Very good. Oh, fantastic. Senby 4,312 outputs on a 24-hour basis. Where's Handcash? Let's have a quick look at this. Have I gone past it? Let's have a look. Surely Handcash must be in there. Relix, Twitch, Haste, Senby, Vinex, Pew Pew. Oh my goodness me. Handcash isn't on there. What's all that about? Never mind. Still pretty good though. Trends.cash. So TDXP and DXS one on the same. Huge amounts there. Relix in third. Apps ranking by performed actions run and crypto fights and My 2 Cents in second place. Excellent. Crypto Quant. Yep, exchange is still cashing out. What's on chain? 564 petahashes and 2,300,000 transactions over the last 24 hours. That's gone up significantly, or almost by like a fifth. It feels like. Whale Wallet, yep, that's all being distributed now. Morning Run, oh, check it out, we've done it. Look at this, 2,372,000 and 17 purchases of Bitcoin over the last 24 hours. That is a huge milestone. That's a huge milestone. Chuffed to bits with that, shall we say. Fantastic. All right, let's have a look at Live Coin Watch. So we've got a market cap of 1,055 billion. And we've got Core Coin BTC with a trade volume of 3.9%. All right, and look at this. So we've got 3 stable coins in the top 6. What a joke. Made up from nothing. And we've got a Bitcoin down here. Look at this. Trade volume just 2.1%. Price bobbing along there. So we've got 1.6 million bids versus 1.2 million asks. Price on the way up. Coin Gecko, how are we feeling about it today? Feeling good. 89%, we'll take that. Tether Weather, let's have a look at this. What's this? Here we go. Oh, price in the red over a day. Price in the green over 7 days. Let's have a look at market cap. Okay, so nobody cashed out over the last 24 hours. Still not good. Oh dear. Let's have a look at Bittrex. Price going upsy downsies. So this is Bitcoin versus core coins. Core coins winning there, but who cares? It's got economic value of 0. Core coin versus USD. Oh, look at that. That's taking a sharp nosedive there. Ooh. Traders are going to get wrecked after this positive rally here, and then boom, straight down. Look at that. That's quite significant. Dirty shitcoin traders getting wrecked there. Coinbase down 79%. Looks like speculators just simply having a punt on it, really. MicroStrategy again. Speculators having a punt. I wouldn't touch that with a barge pole. Silverfish. Oh, look at 3,649 views. Loving that. That's on the way up quite significantly. Great stuff. Right, here we go. This is the countdown calendar to the Nothing Burger. We are on July 23rd, which means we've just got 9 days. 9 days left until the Nothing Burger. And the reason the calendar is significant is because of these statements put out by CSW. And this is at the end of June, very shortly, in fact, within weeks. People are going to start to understand that calling BTC Bitcoin and referring to this technology that is illegally passing itself off as Bitcoin comes at a cost. And he also said here, this is the beginning of this month, later this month, you will understand. If you have any monies on these systems, it will end up divided between creditors. He said, I don't want your money, I want the heads of those in charge, so to speak. But if you have any money or assets on these bucket shots by the end of the month, it will be liable to seizure. He said, when you put money on the exchange, legally you have a debt like money in a bank. The digital assets on these exchanges are not yours. Rather, there is an obligation to repay that will not extend through bankruptcy. Whew, dear oh dear. Right, so remember, you can either take heed or you can ignore it at your peril. We'll leave it there. There we go. Hope you enjoyed the show. As ever, be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.